In our last lesson, we learned about what a habitat is. We learned that plants and animals need habitats. We learned that a habitat is a place where the plant or animal has all of the things that it needs to live. Today, we are going to be talking about wetland habitats. Today, David and I went out to a wetland place and we caught these fish. These fish were swimming around and we used a net to catch them. Let's look at some pictures over here of what a wetland habitat looks like and also things that would live there. Now this is something that would live in a wetland habitat. This is called a bullfrog. These live in the water in swampy or marshy places. Now this is what a wetland looks like. You can see the plants growing out of the water. This looks a lot like how the place looked where David and I caught these fish. This is a dragonfly. Dragonflies live by wetlands. In fact, baby dragonflies even swim around and live in the water. And these are Canadian geese. These geese also live in wetland places. Their habitat is in the wetlands. So that's all of our pictures. Let's talk a little bit more about these fish. In this bin, we have a few different kinds of fish. Not all the fish in the marsh were the same. In a wetland place, there can be many different kinds of animals. It's just that the habitat is good for all of these animals. Like David and I have a catfish in here, and we also have some sunfish. So today we've learned about what a wetland habitat is. We also learned about some different animals that live in a wetland habitat. We brought these fish in so we could study them for a few hours. But David and I need to make sure that as soon as we're finished studying these fish, we let them go so they can be happiest in their habitat. Now let's do a problem like the one that you are going to do. Find something that lives in a wetland habitat. So you look at the pictures and you find the picture of the frog and you click on it. Good luck!